So, you want to build a body like a bodybuilder? Well, let me tell you, it's not going to be easy, but it's definitely possible. The key is consistency and dedication. You have to be willing to put in the work day in and day out. First things first, you need to focus on your diet. Say goodbye to junk food and hello to lean proteins, complex carbs, and healthy fats. Fuel your body with the right nutrients to support muscle growth and recovery. Next, it's time to hit the gym. You can't build a body like a bodybuilder without lifting weights. Focus on compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. These exercises target multiple muscle groups and help you build overall strength. But remember, it's not just about lifting heavy weights. You also need to incorporate cardio into your routine to keep your heart healthy and burn excess fat. Find a balance between strength training and cardio to achieve the best.